Zapier for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to Zapier and related resources can be found in the description below. Zapier is an automation platform that connects your favorite apps and tools to help streamline repetitive tasks, making it an incredibly powerful tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs. Whether you're managing product updates, customer communication, or inventory tracking, Zapier can save you countless hours by automating workflows between the tools you already use. One of Zapier's standout features is its ability to connect multiple apps with ease. With over 5,000 integrations, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Google Sheets, Slack, and email platforms, Zapier lets you automate complex processes without any coding. For example, you can set up workflows called Zaps to automatically update inventory in your store when changes occur in your supplier's database, ensuring your listings remain accurate and up to date. Zapier also excels in customer communication automation. You can create Zaps that trigger personalized email responses to customers after they place an order or receive shipping updates. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the time you spend on manual follow-ups. If you run marketing campaigns, Zapier can seamlessly integrate with tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo to send targeted emails based on customer behavior. Another major advantage is data synchronization across platforms. For dropshipping businesses managing orders and inventory across multiple marketplaces, Zapier can centralize all data into tools like Google Sheets or Airtable for better tracking and reporting. This makes scaling your business and staying organized much easier. Zapier is user-friendly with a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to build workflows quickly. While the platform offers a free plan for basic automation, its premium plans unlock more advanced features like multi-step Zaps and conditional logic, which are invaluable for more complex dropshipping operations. The main limitation of Zapier is its dependency on the apps you connect. If an app lacks a specific feature, Zapier can't create it. However, for most common dropshipping tasks, it works seamlessly. In conclusion, Zapier is an excellent tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to save time, improve efficiency, and automate repetitive tasks across their e-commerce ecosystem. Its versatility, ease of use, and robust integrations make it a must-have for scaling your business. Check the links in the description to explore Zapier and see if it aligns with your dropshipping goals. This review should help clarify whether Zapier is the right platform for your business.